popping.
This is the best life ever.
This is Bob. Yeah.
Soul Tribe, what's poppin'? What's guan? Shout out to my Soul Tribe in the DMG Ohana. Yeah. Today's an interesting day, folks. We still have not yet been here long at all. You don't need to know the day. Today's Saturday. We're going to a pool party. We've been invited by another YouTuber and cool friend. Like, this guy is really cool. You guys gonna see who that is later on in the video. And I'm excited. I'm excited. The past 3 events that we've been to, loved them all, made new friends at all of them. But all of those events were completely random. We just walked into them like, huh? Now we're prepared for the scene. You heard me? We got a camera loaded. Got the iPhone. We got the phones on deck. We ain't running out of nothing. And you know, I'm just looking forward to a good time. Yeah, you like that, you like that. I think this is around the corner. I just so happen to be around the corner from everything. Like, when I was looking at places on maps and things, I was like, damn, I don't want to be just too close to this beach. I don't want to be away from Walking Street. I don't want to have to do this and that. What if there's not enough properties? There's always enough. This place is perfect. How am I away from the beach, but I get the perfect view of the beach all the time? Every day I wake up, the sun is booming through my window right now. You guys see that glow? Yeah. I get to see the sun set, which is amazing. And then the beautiful full moon pops up out here and it stays there for like 4 days. No kidding. Yeah, this place is perfect. This place is perfect. I'm looking forward to more though. Like, you know, hey, I'm here right now. We not skipping past this moment. We basking in the ambiance. Basking in the ambiance. Y'all see what this is? This is a snake head.
Hold on, cuz.
Skin. Yeah, I found this on my balcony, cleaning up my mirrors today. Today was cleaning day. And this pretty little snakehead skin was out here. So where are you at, big fella? Now it might be a gecko, because I've seen the gecko. This might be the gecko skin, you guys. Second day, and I found the gecko in the sink. And I was trying to save Buddy. I wasn't trying. We attempted. We succeeded, actually. Took him out. Made sure he wasn't around no predators at the time. You feel me? Hooked him up. Hydrated him. Wow. Yes, I'm keeping that. Mind your business. Mind your business. Man, the pool party is about to be lit. I'm still trying to figure out what style I'm going to vlog this. So you guys definitely give me some feedback in the comments. Do you prefer when I do the long videos with everything included, or do y'all like them compact 10-minute, 11-minute bust downs? Y'all let me know, because I really enjoy doing both, and I'll continue to do both. But anyways, I'm about to go get dressed. I'm gonna show y'all how we rocking out today. Got on some shorts. So I just got confirmation that our boat ride is pulling up in a minute. What I find really amazing about boat is, come in here. What I find really amazing about boat is the convenience of time. I mean, truly, you guys, it's cool for me. I can get anywhere for under $1 around the whole town. Welcome, and oh, he already out there. That's what I'm. Y'all seeing me? All right, let me hop outside. Oh, there we go. After missing this location 3 times, you guys, I just called 3 boat rides. More than 3. I just spent like 200 baht to learn that this place is literally down the street from the crib. Literally. So we're about to check them out, you feel me? You got a couple of friends in there. Probably gonna make a couple new ones. Oh, she killing that thing. She killing that thing. Yo, you fly. You real fly. I dig it. You fly too. You fly too. Peace. We about to check this place out, you guys. Y'all know how I get down, man. I'm a party generator. I'm a party generator. We at the sauna. I'm gonna tell y'all what it's looking like in a minute, man. Let's go. Let's roll. I said let's roll. We got Tommy, just met him. Great vibe. Shout out to that man John in the building, you feel me? Hola! We got
my boy, cool DMG out in the mud. Hey.
Yes, sir! And then you know we got another great in the motherfucking building, bro. It's lit, bro. It's good times, bro. You better make sure. Make sure you check out her channel. I'm about to put her name in the description.
What's up? Y'all need to come to Thailand. This is where it's popping.
This is where it's popping.
This is the best life ever.
That good. I didn't even know that was a new DJ. Okay. Then we got Miss Fern in the house. The fine, mighty Miss Fern. You feel me? Go check her out. I told you that life was like this. Hey, bro, you didn't have it, okay? I was not expecting so many brothers to be here, bro.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn button!
You heard what she said.